Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a line animation on Capcut. First, open Capcut and start a new project. Add a black background and choose a square ratio. Next, go to the text option and type in any text you want. You can also edit your text by choosing your preferred font. Adjust the text to appear at your desired time by sliding it on the timeline. Then, go to Animations and in the In Animations, select Type 2. Set the duration to 1 second. Next, go to Animations again, but this time go to the Out Animations page. Select Type 2 once again and set the duration to 1 second. Now go to Text and type the letter I and click on the system font. Next, go to Basics and set the x-axis to -553 . Then, add keyframes to the I text. Do exactly as I'm doing. At the very beginning of the clip, add the first keyframe and set the scale to 1%. At the fourth keyframe, set the x-axis to 528. Click on the graphs icon and apply Erase Out To on all keyframes. Right next to the fourth keyframe, add another one and set the scale to 1%. Duplicate this clip and place it where the animation starts. Adjust the graph accordingly. Export the clip and then add it to your preferred video as an overlay. Click on Splice and select Filter. Finally, click on Effects and choose Edge Glow. After that, you may now export your video. And that's it! You've successfully made a line animation on Capcut. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!